am Jyoti Lakshmi. I am doing my third year BCA in MOP Vaishnav College. I am a change agent in Blink Foundations. So the whole idea of Blink Foundation is to celebrate the differences. In order to celebrate the differences, everyone must be aware of the differences first. So in order to impart that into the society, we go to schools and take change classes. And for that, these change classes are taken by change agents. The change agents have to go to a training session where then they equip ourselves and go to classes and then take classes to the students. And as I am a change agent, I went through a training process, and that training process really equipped me as a person. I was totally a transferred person from a shy girl to an empowered woman. I must say that, and I must thank Blink for that. And the next step was to go to schools and take classes. I went to St. Brito's Academy and I handled the 8th standard B section of the CBSE school. And at first I kind of struggled with the students. That was my first experience in front of 40 students and making them listen to me for the whole 45 minutes. At first 1 or 2 classes I struggled a bit, but then I had an hand with them, and I started telling my own experiences, and I came to see the differences which I made to those students, and it really motivated me to do that often. So I never missed any of my change classes, and even though I had practicals the other day, I went to the class before that, and I made sure that I gave my 100% to those students. And the final part is what I got from Blink. I in my third year, I had my placement going on in the 5th semester. I got selected for Ernst & Young, which is a big financial firm. In the lecture round, they asked me, what do you do in your free time? I told them about Blink, and they were genuinely interested about that, and they saw something in me which other youngsters didn't have. So that was the main reason why they selected me for that post, and I'm really thankful to Blink for that. I'd like to mention Santosh. He's a student who actually had that change from the very first class to the last class. That change is really visible, and his ma'am also told at first he was a really shy boy and a naughty also. He used to sit in class when someone comes in the front and makes a statement or a speech. He used to pass comments on them. But when I asked him to come in front and talk, he never comes up, and he was always like that. But during the end of the class, the last class which happened in February, when I asked him for when I asked the class student for the feedback, he was the first student who himself volunteered and came up and he spoke. And that was a real change, and I'm really happy that I was the reason for that change in him.